go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. Step 1. Connect your OneDrive account to RiceDrive. Log into your OneDrive account. Click the Accept button. OneDrive is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 2. Connect your Google Drive account to RiceDrive. Select a Google account you want to connect. Click the Continue button. Check the checkbox and click the Continue button to grant RiceDrive access to your Google account. Google Drive is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Both Google Drive and OneDrive have been successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 3. Create a transfer task from OneDrive to Google Drive. Select the file or folder you want to transfer from OneDrive. Select a folder in Google Drive to store files transferred from OneDrive. In the Settings options, you can configure filter conditions and define how to handle existing files. In the Schedule settings, you can set up a daily or weekly plan. Click the Start button to create and execute the transfer task. The activity has started. You can close the web page and focus on other important tasks. RiceDrive will run in the background to complete the operation. The activity has been successfully executed. Please check the log to verify if all the files have been transferred successfully. The folder has been successfully transferred from OneDrive to Google Drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will be happy to respond.